Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm wearing a different hat. I'm not in the gym. I'm not doing a fitness video. We're up in the hub doing a little bit of a different angle. As you can see, I have some cooking stuff here today. Once a week, we're going to try posting a video in the Stay Well Stettler area. And with that, we're going to keep you guessing as different things we're going to be doing. Some will be games, some will be recipes, little things. So today I'm going to do a protein energy ball recipe for you. So what I've got is the basic recipe that we're going to start with of protein powder, oatmeal, and peanut butter is our main ingredients that you need just to have a sticky substance, a gluing substance, which will be our oatmeal and that. But you can throw just about anything in these guys that you would like, what your preference is. So I'm going to start off with some peanut butter, and you'll soon learn, if you don't know this about me now, I do have a measuring cup here, but why dirty it when you can just add a big scoop of peanut butter. So that's my first ingredient. And again, crunchy, smooth, whatever you'd like. Almond butter works well, any kind of your butters. Then I've got some honey that I've warmed up in the microwave a little bit just to make it a little more mixable. And again, I'm going to put in, it says about a half a cup, and I think that looked like about a half a cup. So we're going to get these two ingredients plus some honey. Nope, not honey. Let's go with vanilla. We're going to add some vanilla to this. About a cupful. That's about a teaspoon of that. And we're going to mix it together. Once that is well mixed together, and don't be afraid, you could pop it in the microwave for a couple minutes to get it well blended. Not a couple. If you're having trouble blending this together, pop it in the microwave for about 10-15 seconds. It'll just give you a little bit more of a creamy consistency, and it'll go back to its regular hard state once we've got the balls rolled up. Now, time to add our dry ingredients. So, I have some oatmeal. It calls for 1 to 2 cups of oatmeal. So, I'll start with 1 heaping scoop, 2 heaping scoops. I'm going to add my protein powder. Today it's chocolate. You can use whatever brand, whatever type you like, and you don't even have to have this if you don't want it in it. It's totally up to you. I like chocolate and peanut butter together, so I mixed those two together. I'm going to add in some mini chocolate chips. I like the mini ones in the protein balls because they tend to be a little smaller and have stay in the protein balls without a big chunk. Oh, let's add a half a bag in. That's good. I have some flaxseed. So you're going to add a couple teaspoons of flaxseed in here. Grab a teaspoon here. And you're just going to sprinkle that in. If you have something like oat bran, chia seeds, anything that you'd like to add in it. And for a little extra sweetness, well, I guess it's unsweetened coconut. And if you don't like coconut, don't add it in. Totally up to you. And that was about a half a cup of that. Mix that all well together till you get a nice smooth consistency. This is where your mussels come in. Then you're going to chill it for about an hour, and then you'll bring it out and you'll start rolling the balls. Okay, so let's grab it from the fridge. It's been chilling for about an hour. As you can see, when I do a lot of baking and that, I'm not an exact person, so maybe it's only been in there for 45 minutes. We're going to roll it into some nice size balls. You get to decide what size you'd like. I'm not going to use any certain measuring spoon. And that, so grab a chunk. Make them as big or as small as you'd like. And again, I only added chocolate chips and coconut to this one. You could add dried cranberries, dried cherries, blueberries. You could add some chia seeds to it if you'd like. They freeze very well, so if you'd like to pop them in the freezer. You can take them camping with you. They're a great campfire little snack, or if the kids want something for when they're gonna go out before they play a game, yeah, let them enjoy. There's, it's not candy, and as long as they don't have peanut allergies. If you're not a peanut butter person, I got a few other recipes. You can let me know what you'd like to, if you'd like the recipes to them there. They don't have the peanut butter in them. They have other sticky ingredients in them, but they're all very delicious. They're all very healthy for you. And like I say, enjoy.